What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a Casper on a skateboard. This is kind of like doing half a kickflip and catching it, but it's so different than kickflips. It's not a street trick, it's more of a freestyle trick. So it's something you can do inside your house, on the carpet, just in a small flat area. So with the Casper flip, it'd be good if you knew how to do kickflips, just because it's a little bit harder than a kickflip. With this trick, you're going to have your front foot with your heel hanging off in a kickflip position, but a little bit farther off to the side. Your back foot right on the middle of the tail. You're going to pop, do half a kickflip, but instead of flicking out this way and trying to stay over the board, you're just going to flick and stay under the board. That's like what a lot of people do with their kickflips when they're trying to learn kickflips anyway. And then you're just going to get the board resting on the top of your shoe, and you're going to have your back foot land on the tail. It's good to have a long flat tail. If you just do freestyle stuff, you might want to put grip tape on the nose and tail so you can do these better. But yeah, you're going to land on there. You want to be somewhere in here. Too far up, you're going to just slide right off. Too far down, you're going to set your foot down. So somewhere right in here, your front foot is holding the board up, your back foot is standing on the back of the board. And then some people just like jump and flip it straight over, but for me, I always kind of do a little varial type thing. So I'll swing it and then flick and then jump, pull my back foot up, land, and roll away. I like to do these on a bank ramp just because it's a little bit easier to do it when you're landing on a bank. You get a little bit of momentum into it and momentum out of it, but I would start out doing it just on flat ground. So a beginner step to doing this trick would just be standing next to the board, rolling it over onto your foot, rolling it back, and then after that you can kind of roll onto it, jump on it, roll it back. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.